What's going on, guys? As you saw in the last video, we installed the rack and pinion setup in the front end of the car, as well as lowered the rear end with a new leaf spring setup, as well as lowering blocks. So in today's video, we're going to be installing an ALDAN American coilover kit, as well as shocks. And they make suspension parts for Mustangs and G bodies and Camaros and A bodies. And they're all bolt-in. So go check them out and we'll show you how easy it is to bolt in. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is remove the spring, and you can rent a spring compressor from O'Reilly's for free. You just pay them and then you take it back and get your money back, or just literally buy one from Harbor Freight like this one is. Then you compress the spring and then you should be able to just take it out. And then now we're gonna go ahead with the coilover installation. You gotta take the perch out too. So we're gonna put the top plate on, and in order to do that, we have to drill out some holes so the stock little factory nuts don't end up ripping the strut tower off, because all the weight will be on those little guys there. So we're gonna sandwich it and then go from there. Well guys, in order to do the install with one person, I'm gonna have to slip this on first, because someone would have to hold this to the top. So I'm gonna slip this on first and then come back and get it right. Okay, now that I got it loosely fitted, I can pivot it into the hole, and then I'll be able to tighten it from there. So follow me. Alright guys, so this is the coilover kit for the Mustangs that ALDAN American has sent me. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to put in. So what you're going to need is socket set. You're going to need a drill too, and your spring compressor, and the drill bit that I will be using is a 5/16. So I'll show you guys everything that needs to be done. So I'm gonna start by removing the wheel. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the spring compressor in and take out the spring. So once you get the spring compressor on, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off right now. So it usually won't come off this easy if you have weight in the car, but I have no weight right now, so it's come off pretty easy. So now what we need to do is take out this bottom coil perch because we don't need that with the ALDAN setup. So this has to go. Okay, so from up here, I'm actually going to be removing these bolts that used to hold it on. So don't need these anymore. Okay, so once these are out, you gotta figure out where this plate is going to be mounted. This is where you're gonna have to drill some holes. So this is where it's gonna be mounted. I'm gonna go ahead and drill some holes here. Okay guys, now that I got it where I like it, I'm gonna go ahead and drill the holes. So you're gonna use the bolts that ALDAN set you and put them right here into the arm, and then go ahead, tighten this all up, and then that's pretty much the end of the install. Super easy to do, didn't take that long at all. All you need to do is drill out a couple holes, as you've seen, at least on the 69 Mustangs in general. And then it's pretty much in. Just need to tighten this up and tighten the lower nuts up. But that's the majority of the ALDAN install. When I ordered the ALD26 thrust bearing upgrade straight from ALDAN, they're installed at the factory. Go check out Ben's video he did on this, 4-speed films. Super good camera guy. He made an amazing install video on this stuff. I'm gonna be putting a sticker on the back window, it says ALDAN, and a few more things. So this car is gonna be a road racing car. It's gonna be sick. Thank you, ALDAN. ALDAN makes high quality stuff for tons of cars. I highly recommend you check out their website. Very helpful. They have tons of stuff for pretty much all muscle cars. So it's all pretty much bolt in too. So it's very easy to install. The rear shocks, ridiculously easy. The coilovers in the front, also very easy to do. As you can see, I'm a 19-year-old and I'm still learning cars, and I can do it very easily, so anyone can do it. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe.